Compare the following two molecules. Are they considered to be isomers? Well, you got to know what an isomer is, right? And the definition of an isomer, basically, is where you have two molecules that share a similar molecular formula. However, where they differ is in their geometric shape or the arrangement of atoms within a three-dimensional space. So if we look at these two, right away this criteria is satisfied. We see that they both have 3 carbons, they both have 9 hydrogens, and they both have a singular nitrogen. So the next step would actually be to analyze the individual molecules. So if we look at the first one, more or less it's a chain. Notice they're all single bonds, right? And the 3 carbons, they're pretty much saturated with hydrogens. However, the nitrogen has a lone pair and a single